Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to increase Siri wait time on iPhone. If you want to increase the time for your response in Siri, you can change it in settings with iOS 18. So if you have iOS 18 installed on your phone, then you can just easily go to accessibility in settings, then go down to Siri. And now you can see Siri pause time. You can set it to default, longer or longest, so you will have more time to finish your sentence or to think about what you want to respond to Siri. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.